Hello guys, today we are unboxing the FIFINE A6T gaming microphone. It's an affordable mic that promises great audio quality, stylish design and everything you need straight out of the box. Taking a look at the box, it's compact and well designed, showing off the mic with FIFINE branding. The packaging feels sturdy, so right away it gives a good impression. Let's open it up. Right on top, we have the user manual with all the setup instructions. Beneath that, everything is neatly organized inside foam padding, which keeps all the accessories safe during shipping. Inside the box, we get the microphone itself already mounted on a shock mount to reduce vibrations, and a pop filter for clean, clear vocals, a USB cable for easy plug in and play connection. Fifin really includes a complete package. No need to buy extra accessories separately. We also get a solid boom arm stand that feels durable. So that's the unboxing of the Fifin A60 gaming microphone. So in my upcoming lives, I will be testing out the sound quality to see if it lives up to the hype. But for now, this is a very solid first impression. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and support.